Little rhyme star. In the ocean deep and wide, many creatures swim and glide. Come and meet them one by one. Learning names is so much fun. Dolphin, dolphin, sleek and fast. Swimming by, you'll see it dash. Octopus with arms of 8, waving as it moves so great. Seahorse, seahorse, tiny and bright, dancing in the water's light. Jellyfish with flowing grace, drifting through the ocean space. Turtle, turtle, steady and slow, in the sea it loves to go. Shark, shark with teeth so sharp, swimming silent, a sea monarch. Fish in colors bright and fair, swimming here and swimming there. Whale, whale with a mighty song, echoes deep and echoes long. Crab, crab with sideways walk, claws that snap, click and talk. Starfish resting arms so wide, on the ocean floor they bide. These are friends beneath the sea, living there so wild and free. Learning names as we explore, the ocean's creatures we adore.
For watching.